Home remedies for dry hands. We rely on our hands each and every day to work on a variety of things, from cleaning the house, to mowing the lawn, and everything in between. Hands are utilized for practically everything. But all of these things put stress on our hands and aggravate their dryness, particularly in the winter when the air is already chilly and dry. All of our skin, including our hands, is made up of 3 distinct layers. The hypodermis and dermis are shielded by the epidermis, which is the skin's top layer. The epidermis protects against dangerous substances and microorganisms. This layer takes a lot of abuse from ultraviolet radiation and harsh chemicals, and requires a lot of maintenance. The epidermis works tirelessly to maintain a moisture-retentive barrier, yet it's easily damaged by external factors. One of the main causes of dry hands is actually dry air. The epidermis loses moisture as it works to shield the deeper layers. Hands will also dry out more quickly in the winter and in windy situations than in humid ones. Naturally, this reduces the natural oils in the skin and robs the hands of the moisture they are trying to maintain. Some soaps can also dehydrate the skin by robbing it of its natural oils. The idea behind soap is to rid the skin of bacteria and toxic substances, but it can also remove whatever moisture your hands may still have. Surprisingly, water has the potential to be far more drying to the hands than even soap and dry air. How often we wash our hands will also affect how much moisture they are able to hold. The more you wash your hands, the less moisture they retain. Natural oils are removed at each wash, making it more difficult to maintain moisture. Cosmetics can be particularly abrasive on the epidermis, and the moisture and integrity of the skin can suffer considerably. The oils and moisture in the skin will continue to break down with exposure to dry air, water, soaps, and chemicals. Your hands will inevitably come into contact with all of those elements, but there are remedies to revitalize them. There are several ways you can quickly restore your hands to health. It's possible to reduce some of the dry, cracked skin that many people are prone to by using hydrating soaps. Use moisturizing soaps, such as those containing shea, vitamin E, Himalayan pink salt, aloe vera, and other ingredients that wash the skin while hydrating. Oatmeal, almond oil, and goat's milk are also great hydrating components in soap. In addition to hydrating soaps, here are some great home remedies that can lessen the discomfort and improve the nourishment and softness of your hands. 1. Coconut oil. Apply 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil liberally to your hands, covering the palms and the spaces between your fingers. Massage well and leave on for a minimum of a couple of hours or overnight. Since coconut oil is an emollient, it will assist in naturally softening tough skin. 2. Petroleum jelly. Apply 2 tiny scoops of petroleum jelly liberally on your hands, cover with gloves, and leave on overnight. Petroleum jelly traps in moisture, which aids in reducing dryness. 3. Honey. Apply a couple of tablespoons of honey to your hands, making sure you cover your fingers and over the backs of your hands. Let it set for 30 minutes, then wash off with warm water. Honey brings moisture to dry, rough hands. 4. Almond oil. Work 3 to 4 teaspoons of almond oil into your hands until it dissolves. Your skin will start to feel considerably softer and plumper almost immediately. Fatty acids in almond oil help to substantially nourish and smooth the skin. 5. Milk. Soak your hands in 4 to 5 tablespoons of warm whole milk for about 20 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. Milk is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. You can use these natural cures for dry skin every day until you start to see improvement. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.